Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. So if you keep up with recent nail trends, I'm sure you would have came across a new trend, making colored acrylic from chalk. I tried it out and I found it was pretty easy, so I wanted to make a video showing how I did it. So what we'll need is obviously chalk, clear acrylic, acrylic liquid, a nail brush, a container, glitter or some kind of sparkles, something to mix it with. I kind of went a little ghetto and I'm using a pen. Probably you might want to use like a popsicle stick or something, an e-file, and a metal drill bit. So I got this pack of chalk at Dollar Tree for only $1.25 and it has 12 colors in it. Today I'll be using both of the blues. So I bought these mini containers at Dollarama for $1.25 and they're so cute, and it comes in a pack of 3. So this is my OG e-file. I've had it for a couple years now and I bought it off Amazon. I don't think it was any more than $50. Honestly, it's really good. This nail bit came in a pack of 4 that I bought from Amazon as well, and it was about $23 and change. Honestly, they're really good. I really enjoy them. I'm also going to leave the link below. I filed about 1/3 of the chalk. Honestly, it all depends on how much you want to do. Preference, I didn't want too much because I was choosing the 2 colors. If you're only doing one, maybe you can do the full thing. So then when you're done, it'll look something like this. And then you'll want to take either your popsicle stick or, like me, the back of your pen, and you're just going to want to crush it a little bit to get rid of those little chunks. So then when we add the acrylic, it can go on really smoothly. So I'll be using the Sally Hansen Professional Clear Acrylic. Honestly, all you need is clear acrylic. It doesn't matter how fancy it is, just clear. And this is the somewhat tricky part. I don't really know exactly how much acrylic you have to add. I'd probably say, if I'd have to give it a ballpark range, I'd maybe say about 60-40, 60 being acrylic, 40 being the powder. But as you're mixing it, if you do feel you need to add a little bit more acrylic just to get that consistency, then go on and add a little bit more. So these glitters and sparkles I'll be using, I actually bought from AliExpress a while ago. I just didn't have any purpose of using these, and now I finally do. So the amount of glitter and sparkles you're going to add to it is pretty much your preference. I don't mind the shine, so I'm going to add a lot to it. And once you're finished mixing, it'll look a little something like that. And then we'll come through with our acrylic liquid. So now we're going to be ready to test it out. So as you can see, for the most part, hey, it wasn't too bad. Honestly, I do find that my brush was a little too damp, but regardless, I'm not doing it on anyone, so that's fine. It looks gorgeous. I really, really like the color. It came out so much better than I expected. I can't lie. I really love it. So I tried out a couple more colors and this is how they came out, using the same method I did for the blue. So this is what they look like, finished product. Honestly, it came out pretty good, so definitely 2 thumbs up from me. So what did you guys think? Is this a nail trend that you would be willing to try? Let me know in the comments below. Bye!